I'll be showing you how to get your box braid cut in 5 minutes in this video. One thing you need to know with box braid, knotless braid wig, you have to cut it down before you start making. Please, it is very necessary. Cut it down, get it cut down, get the desired style cut down. It could be in triangular shape, it could be in box square shape, any shape you want for your knotless braid. Get it cut down. Remember, this is a wig, it is not it's not direct on someone's head, so it is very important to get it cut down so that you not make mistake. You not be having issue of one is bigger, one is lesser, you are having some strand of hair remaining, you don't know what to do with it. That is why the reason why you need to get it cut down. That is how we do it in this industry. Another important thing here is that you need to get your pin available. This pin will help you to do your work without assistant, without you looking for anyone to assist you. Get your pin ready. So when you are holding a box braid, a full lace cap on your hand, when you check at it very, you see that there is a shape for back, ear side and front side. You don't need to ask question about that too much. Holding it in your hand, you can see that there is where you were supposed to place at the back, where you were supposed to place at the front. You notice the ear pattern underneath. You notice the ear pattern. So just follow the pattern and place it on the dummy. In this particular one I'm doing, this full lace came with a baby hair, so I have to remove the baby hair from the normal hair because I was treating this particular full lace. I comb everything together. That is why you see that everything was together in this video. But now I need to remove it before I start my work. So I love cutting my box braid. Here I'm doing a square shape braid. I love cutting it from the center. You can cut it from the ear side, you can cut it from the back side, but this particular one I'm cutting it from the ear side because I don't want the hair to be much. I don't want it much, I want it moderate. Medium size is what I want in this cutting. So I'm cutting it from the center. I part the hair into 2 equal sides. I'll first of all work with one part, then later go to the second part of the hair and get it cut. Remember, always have either rubber band or your hair clip available, so that by the time you are cutting it, you'll be using it to hold the remaining part of the hair, so that it will not be distracting you from doing your work. You can see the way I clip this one down now. I'll be able to focus on what I'm doing. So the video is somehow long, but watch it to the end. That is why I call it braiding technique. It's something that you can sit down, think about it and craft and do it on your own. This is just a step for you to use and get your own technique. It is just a step. It's not necessary you follow my own step. Just follow this video and be able to craft out your own step.